Morning on this gorgeous Sunday. Sundays are always my favourite day. I always cook something really cosy on a Sunday. The flat is also an absolute mess, so just ignore whatever's going on in the background. I love a Sunday. Always cook something really lovely and try and get outside and just have like a really chilled day. I messaged my brother this morning because Sam's feeling kind of unwell. He's got like a stinking cold and I really want to get outside because it's one of those autumn days where it's bright blue skies but it's a little bit chilly, and National Trust always do this thing in autumn where you can get a free pass and go around one of the National Trust houses, or I don't know what I'm trying to say. You know what I mean. But I think we're going to go to Tintsfield today, which I absolutely love. It's gorgeous. They'll probably have all the pumpkins out, which I'm really excited about. And I'm going to go with my brother, so we're going to go shortly in about an hour and a half. But before we go, I want to prep all of my veggies for a roast because I'm going to make a roast tonight. And I also want to make maybe a lentil vegetable soup for the week, just because I've been having so many digestion issues. I'm trying to eat really natural whole foods and cut down on my grain intake, well, mostly like gluten intake, because that seems to be a real trigger from my diaries. So I'm going to prep that this morning and we're going to have like a really wholesome, cozy day. I really want to try and make Sundays less about being on social media, more about being in the present moment. I really want Sundays to be my day where I can like go for my walk and get my steps in and do my yoga and read my book, because I actually find that really hard in the week when I'm working like 40 plus hours. I find that really difficult to stick to that sort of routine. So let's have a really cozy Sunday and I'm really looking forward to this. Roast is kind of prepped, not full roast. Haven't prepped the meat yet because I'm cooking duck and I've never cooked duck in my life, and Sam's actually way better at cooking meat than me, so I kind of want to wait till he's up. He's not very well, hence why he's not up. I just want him to rest and like recharge. But yeah, I kind of want to wait till he's up so he can do his thing. Yeah, so Christmas list is going to Whitehall Christmas Garden Centre. What, the big one? Not the little one. We couldn't park, so now we're marching through the woods trying to find how to get in because it's absolutely heaving. Do you actually know where we're going, Ty? Huh? I don't even know if we can get in this way.
Yeah. Just walk through grass.
Oh well, if not, we're just going through, like, we're just going a woodland walk. Have you got maps up? Yeah. Okay.
We've got a fair few miles to walk.
At least we got our steps in today. Are you having a race later?
Yeah.
Same. So I don't think we can walk through here.
Well, how is other people?
am so tired. And it's so warm in my car, I don't want to get out. I've just spent like 10 minutes sat on Instagram looking at recipes I probably can't eat because I can't digest anything. I'm so tired. I'm so tired. That walk was absolutely gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. And I'm excited to have a cozy Sunday. I think I'm gonna go in. I need to check on my soup. I don't know what I'm gonna have to eat yet. Check on my soup, and then I think I'm gonna do a tad of editing, but in the background, or maybe not in the background, I've just started the David Beckham series, so I'm excited about that. I'm really excited. My brother said it was really good. I love a sports documentary. Any sort of sports documentary I literally love. So I'm gonna watch a bit of that and then just chill. I feel like I need a nap. Definitely some yoga later though, just to stretch out a little bit. I was meant to do some yesterday and I don't really know what happened. Kind of want to make gluten-free Yorkshire puddings. I think Yorkshire puddings are quite hard to make, let alone a gluten-free one. Let me see if I've got the ingredients for this, because I just don't want them to be like dense. Gluten-free Yorkshire pudding recipe, BBC Good Foods. Let's have a look. I mean, they look really good, but I think that's having a really high expectation. I don't feel like, I've never made Yorkshire puddings before and I feel like they're quite difficult. Gluten-free plain flour, cornflour, eggs, skimmed milk, sunflower oil. I don't have sunflower oil, but I have other oil. How long do they take? 25 minutes, so they can go in when the carrots go in. I'm gonna try it. Me calling you Samuel. I think Samuel sounds nice though. Samuel sounds quite posh. Making a roast is actually one of my favourite things to make. Oh my god, look at these roasties. This is a good roast. This is a really good roast.
So put this on, wait.
Can you just leave it on there? Can I just put what I want on my plate? I want a whole... I think I've overcooked it slightly.
still looks juicy. Sorry, do you want to eat at the table or watch sex education?
I want to eat at the table and then watch sex education after.
We've finished our roast. It was so nice. I love, I feel like autumnal and winter food is so fun. I just love it. So we had a really lovely roast. The duck was nice, but I think I overcooked it. It was still like really soft and like moist, but it wasn't what I kind of imagined in my mind, but I'm still happy with how it turned out. And then we caught up with sex education. I'm really loving we've loved sex education anyway from the start, but I feel like this series is like really relevant, and I feel like they're covering a lot of bases in it, and I think it's really good for people to see. And it's not just about young people. I love that they're covering like single mums and women going through menopause, and I don't know, it's just like they're covering so many bases. I think it's really, really interesting and really eye-opening for loads of us. So yeah, I enjoyed that. We're just gonna wind down for the night, and yeah, I'll catch you guys next Sunday. I am so excited to do Christmas content. I'm going to start planning that soon. I actually can't wait. There's so much Christmas things in the shops at the moment, and because this is our first Christmas here, I literally can't wait. And Sam loves Christmas as well. So there's only glasses. There is? What is that? Is that? Or is it just a shadow? I think it's a shadow. Yeah, anyway, I'm just blabbering on, but I will see you guys next weekend. Thanks for stopping by. Bye!